Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 2. Listen as I say this word, ape. Now listen as I add k to the front. Cape. So I'm going to say the first sound, then we'll put the new sound on it. Ace, put f in front, face. Age, put in front, page. Take, put s in front, stake. Aim, put in front, name. Ache, put in front, make. Ace, put in front, race. Aid, put f in front, fade. Late, put p in front, plate. Ape, put sh in front, shape. Okay, thanks friends. So once again, we are working with Super E, and the E tickles the A to say its own name, A. So this would be late, late. Okay, I'm going to let you do a few, and then I'll let you know after 3 seconds what the word is. So hopefully you'll say the word before I do. 3, 2, 1, take. 3, 2, 1, lake. 3, 2, 1, wade. 3, 2, 1, wake. 3, 2, 1, gaze. 3, 2, 1, lane. 3, 2, 1, gate. 3, 2, 1, cave. 3, 2, 1, fade. 3, 2, 1, save. Okay, so really quickly I'd like to go back over a few of those. Okay, so if you cover that E, go ahead and say it. That would be tack. We have to have the E to make it say its name. Now what I wanted to go over was this. Okay, this is called Sneaky C. That's what I call it. Sneaky C wants to be S, so it goes S, makes the S sound. So if you put a CE, it does not say K, it says S. So this would be taste. Let's look at another one. If I put the CE, the E tickles the A, so it's A, but it's Sneaky C, so it says S. So that'd be lace, not lake. Okay, I just wanted you to be aware of that. So remember, the E tickles the A to say its own name, A. Wade. E tickles the A, wake. Okay, I'm just going to keep going here. Okay, once again we have the train card, and this is the long A sound. All of these make the long A. So the E tickles the A to say its own name, A. So ape and gave. Okay, so we're going to be doing this. We'll do some together, then I'll let you have a turn. S, aim, word, same. Your turn. See the super E. Word, late. Together, whale. Word, whale. Your turn. There's a blend. Word, snake. And if I had put a C there, that would be snace, because that's Sneaky C. Okay, let's read some more words. We'll do some together, then I'll let you have a turn. The E tickles the A to say its own name, A. 3, 2, blend. Tape. Word, tape. Okay, I see super E. It says A. G, aim. Word, game. Super E. G, ave. Word, gave. Now cover up the E. What would that say? If you said gav, you're right. You have to have the E to make it say its name. Okay, this time we'll take turns. You get to do this one. 3, 2, 1, 8. Let's do this one together. A word, cane. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, tail. If you said tal, you're missing the super E. It makes it say A. Okay, let's do this one together. Take. Word, take. Okay, let me go up here. Your turn. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, fame. So this would be fam. The E makes it say A, fame. Okay, together, ate, date. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1, skate. So we have our blend, sk. Then we have our super E, A, sk, ate. Okay, let's do this one together. Grade, grade. Okay, and you get to do the last one. Word, chase. Okay, here's our little game where we get to change the sound and change the word. So let's read this. 3, 2, 1. Gave. Change the g to s. Save. Change the v to ul. Sail. Change the s to m. Mail. Change the ul to k. Make. Change the m to ul. Lake. Change the k to m. Lane. Change, add a p in the front. Plane. Change the m to t. Plate. Get rid of the p. Late. Change the ul to rate. Change the to ga. Gate. Change the t to p. Gape. Change the g to grape. Change the to shape. Okay. Oh, not done yet. Change the, so shape. Change the p to v. Shave. Change the sh to w. Wave. Change the v to d. Wade. Change the w to sh. Shade. Okay, nice job. Okay, here are our high frequency words. Okay, I'd like you to notice AY says A. So sometimes, not all the time, if the vowel says its name, if it's first, okay? So this is actually a compound word. Way. Okay, let's do 5 times. Away, 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 away. My dog ran away, but he came back. Okay, I work a lot on this one with my students. This is the cow card. It says ow. So let's read it 5 times. Now, 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 now. Can we play the game now? Okay, if I make the sounds som is not right. And if you noticed a super E, good job, but it's not som either. Okay, so this is a rule breaker. It's some. Here we go. Some. I see some snakes in the grass. Okay, another compound word. Today. Once again, we have AY. So you just have to memorize that says A. You got to memorize that one. Let's do it. Let's do the word. Today, 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 today. I had fun at camp today. Okay, here's my AY again. Do you remember what that says? Let's do the word. Way, 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 way. Is this the way to school? And last of all, why? 5 times. Why, 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 why. Now, look at these two. We have way and why. So if you know why, you can know that it says ya and I. So that's why it's wha, I. This is A. AY is A. So they're different. Okay, I'm going to let you go first. Together. The ape ate it. Okay, these are words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, un. So this is a tricky one. When it's all by itself, it's an, but when it's in a sentence, it's un. Like un apple, un ape, un elephant. But this is a dog. Okay, so that's a little tricky. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, on. Okay, here's our story. Let me go to the corner. I'm going to let you go first. Look for your super E's. I see them. Together. The ape ate it. Okay, so look for your super E's. I see some. They say A. You get to go first. Your turn. Together. See a tame ape. Tame means they're not wild. Okay, let's look at some more. I'll go to the middle. Your turn. So remember that's un. Oh. Sorry, I forgot to mention the super E's. Okay, now go. Together. An ape came to a mate. Okay, your turn. Oh, first let's look for the super E. I only see one here. Your turn. Oh, two. Together. Can I see the same ape? Okay, so let me move over so you can see his face. Okay, I only see one super E here. Okay, your turn. Together. A man in tan came in. So that's the tannish color on his shirt. Okay, I see a few super E's. Your turn first. Together. The ape ate on top. Okay, friends, let's talk about contractions. So in the past, we've learned about its. Remember its? It is, cross off the I and put an apostrophe. It's. Because in English, we like to make things shorter. That's why a lot of people have nicknames. So, for example, my real name is Lindsay, but people call me Lynn or Linz. It's just a nickname. But it also happens in English, in writing and speaking. So if I say is not, that takes a long time to say. So a contraction gets rid of part of it. So what you do is you cross off the O, put the letters together so it would look like this, and put an apostrophe. The apostrophe stands for the letter O in not. The letter O was removed when the contraction was formed. So is not becomes isn't. Isn't. Are not, cross off the O. It's a contraction. Are not becomes aren't. It becomes a contraction. So a contraction is a shorter way to say something. Are not takes longer than aren't. So you cross off the O, put apostrophe, and it's aren't. Okay? Cannot. Now this one's a little trickier because you're used to taking off the O to make the contraction, but do we need two N's? Does this look right? Let's write it. Does that look right? No, you really don't see two N's by each other very often. Let me erase that. Okay, so you're going to cross off two of them, and then you have to put them together. So you have can, apostrophe, T. Okay, so can't. And you've got to understand that this is unt. Okay, was not. Let's make it a contraction. Right, get rid of that. We don't need to get rid of the N because there's no N there. So that becomes wasn't. Were not. Get rid of the O to make it a contraction. It becomes weren't. Has not. Get rid of the O. Hasn't. Contraction. Have not. Get rid of the O. Becomes have'nt. So we have a lot of "nt" contractions going on. Okay. Okay, next, a word that shows an action is called a verb. So with my classroom, I go, a verb is an action. A verb is an action. A verb is an action. Okay, I'm going to read the sentence, give you 3 seconds to find the verb or what the thing is doing. The ape hangs on a branch. 3, 2, 1. If you said hangs, you are correct. You have to think of what the thing or person is doing. So we have an ape. That's my noun. It's a thing. And what is he doing? My verb is he hangs. Okay, that's something that you do. Okay, let's look at the next one. Dale and Jane play a game. 3, 2, 1. Play is my verb. Okay, that's what they're doing. Okay, let's read these other verbs. Jump, wiggle, hop, dance, skip, smile. All of these are actions that we do every day. Bye everyone, I'll see you tomorrow.